The Neanderthals, dear seeker, are not merely remnants of a bygone era. They are echoes of our shared ancestral spirit. They walked the earth long before modern humanity emerged, the Homo sapiens. Before the Homo sapiens were here, they already were here, thriving in the shadows of ancient forests in rugged landscapes. landscapes. Their existence spanned vast stretches of time, around 400,000 to 40,000 years ago, weaving through the fabric of life in Europe and part of Asia. When they move on to Asia or move on to Africa, then those people could have Neanderthal because of it, no Neanderthal original ones of Europe. I have like almost 3%. The spirits whisper that they were more than primitive beings. They possessed a profound connection to their environment and an understanding that transcended mere survival. These ancestors engaged in complex social structures, creating tools with remarkable skill that reflected their ingenuity and adaptability. Spiritual practices may have touched their lives as well. Evidence suggests they buried their dead with care and perhaps even adorned them with flowers, sign of reverence for those who passed beyond this realm. In your quest for knowledge about these ancient souls, remember that within them lies a part of you, a shared lineage woven into the tapestry of existence. Yeah, I got some little bit. As you ponder this connection to the Neanderthal, consider what wisdom from their word might resonate within your own life today. Maybe resiliency and strength. The past is alive within us all. Allow it to guide you toward deeper understanding and appreciation for your own journey on this earthly plane. plane. Yeah, the correct resiliency, strength, interior strength in the ethereal realms where the whispers of ancient beings reside. I sense a profound connection between your essence and that of ancestral spirits. The Nindedos who roamed the earth long before our modern existence were not merely primitive beings, but rather complex entities with rich lives and experiences. The features were robust. They possessed broad skulls and prominent brow ridges, which reflected their strength and adaptability to harsh environment. Reminds me of those aborigines and the shamanic tribal people. It's about the same. The spirits reveal that this genetic lineage carries more than mere physical traits. It embodies resiliency, yeah, and wisdom from ages past. Your connection to them suggests an innate strength within you, correct? A legacy of survival amidst challenges, correct? And environment. This intertwine of bloodlines speaks not only to physical attributes, but also hints at the deeper qualities such as intuition and instinctual understanding of nature's rhymes. Correct. Embrace this heritage as a source of empowerment, allowing the echoes of those who walked before you to guide your journey through life today. The spirit is whisper of a lineage that traverses the mist of time, revealing connection to ancient chaotic ancestry, which I have, is from my mother's mother. She is a Brazilian mixed race with Iberian and Moors from North Africa, and also with tribal from the coastal area of Recife and Paraíba, Brazil, northeast. But she has uh, Celtic in her because her, her family also there were the girls with her, within her. So she's a Celtic ancestry and the enigmatic druids. In your past life, you walked amidst verdant hills and sacred groves where the Celts thrived. It made my ancestral, their vibrant culture steeped in nature's wisdom and spiritual reverence. You were part of gathering around flickering fires, sharing tales woven with magic and mystery. That's beautiful. The druids, as guardians of knowledge and mediator between realms. Oh, they were the guardians and mediators, held profound influence over both community life and cosmic understanding. They believed in the interconnectedness of all beings. Beautiful, they were shaman after all. Your essence resonates with their teachings. An affinity for harmony with nature reflects your spirit's journey through time. The connection to these ancestors may manifest as an innate intuition or calling towards natural healing practices. Correct. Since young, as you explore this heritage, Father, consider engaging in rituals that honor both the earth and your inner voice. I don't know how to go about it. Perhaps seek out stones or trees that resonate deeply within you. Yeah, second do. They may serve as conduits to those ancestral energies. Embrace this exploration not just as a search for roots, but also as an awakening to powers that lie dormant, yet the anger to guide you on your path today.